So guys, finally, nandito na rin si Mr. Arthur sa United Arab Emirates. Kanina pa po kami dito, hindi kayo na-connect sa wifi, no?
Siguro. Pero bumili ako ng SIM eh.
Bumili po kayo ng SIM. Guys, nakita namin nakaupo dito si Mr. Arthur at
Buti
ayun,
niya ako umalis.
inahanap nga po namin kayo kasi susunduin po talaga namin.
Ay talaga, hindi ko alam na susunduin niyo ako.
So, welcome po sa Dubai! Actually, nasa Sharjah po kami. At ngayon is ihatid natin si Sir. Saan po kayo uuwi niyan?
May contact ako sir sa, wala pang wala pa talaga akong pero may contact ako dun sa,
Yung titira niyo po?
Oo.
Okay, so guys, maghanap tayo muna ng bahay ni Sir! So, kamusta naman po ang biyahe niya?
okay lang sir, pero medyo maigpit sa Thailand.
Bakit?
Naghahanap talaga ng showman sila.
Insurance? May insurance naman
Hindi,
po kayo? Show money! Oh my God! So, this is the first time na naghanap ang immigration sa Thailand.
Yes, sir.
Ng show money, magkano po yung show money hinanap?
Tinitingnan lang yung pera. Yung
So,
dala mo.
okay. So, madami naman po kayong pera. Hi! So, good thing na may pera talaga si Sir. Kasi kung walang pera, naku, paano na, di ba?
Kaya nga, oo.
So guys, ayan na, nag-i-start na yung mga immigration doon kung saan sa bansa, especially dito sa Thailand, na dapat may show money tayo na ipapakita, no?
Tama.
Kasi alam nyo guys, dati pagdating dito, saka pa lang hinahanapan yung show money dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Pero si Sir, at least, ngayon, may pinakita siya at nandito na siya. So ano pa po yung mga questions?
So far wala naman. Yung insurance lang, tapos visa,
Apo. Return ticket, pabalik.
saka hotel booking.
Wow! So, kumpleto kayo na po nun.
Kumpleto naman.
Yeah. So, sobrang dali lang ng ginawa ni Sir. Bakit po kayo nag-Dubai?
Nakikipagsapalaran ng sir.
Yeah. So, guys, kami po, ulitin ko, tourist visa processing lang dito, ha. So, wala kami binibigay na trabaho sa mga tourist visa. So, kasi hindi namin naman ini-encourage na pumunta dito, mag-tourist at maghanap ng trabaho. Pero still, normal kasi talaga makapagsapalaran, wala tayong magagawa. Basta kami po, ulitin ko, processing lang naman po talaga kami. Wala po kayong binigay na trabaho. May kamag-anak po kayo dito?
Wala sir, wala talaga. Kaibigan, wala rin.
Seryoso po, naku po. Wala kasi tayong available bed space kung meron lang talaga. So, ano ko po kayo. Pero, huwag tayong mag-alala. Hahanapan natin si Sir ngayon at aalamin natin kung, eto na, mag-houser tayo ngayon kasi maghahanap tayo ng mga bahay na tutuluyan ni Sir. So, dito po, pagdating nyo naman dito sa Sharjah, may question, may
Wala
hinanap
sir.
po.
Passport lang kinukuha.
Sobrang dali lang
Oo,
po.
sobrang dali. Passport lang. Hindi na nga kinuha yung visa. Tsaka
Hindi na po
yung
kinuha.
insurance.
Saan po kayo sa Pilipinas?
Iloilo sir, pero sa Manila talaga ako lumaki.
Meron po kayong iniwan ng family po?
Wala sir, single.
Single, ay! Yan naman talaga pag single ka, parang you can explore the world. Pagkatapos, maghahanap po kayo dito ng jowa.
Kung pwede po, kung mayroon ho.
Kung pwede, why not? Di ba? Hindi natin masasabi kung kailan talaga darating
Kaya
yung pag-ibig natin. Pero kamusta po ang weather?
Super hot pala dito. Pero okay lang ha.
Pero guys, ganito yan. Super hot, pero 6 months mainit, 6 months malamig. So magtataglamig na po. Kung gaano kainit, extremist po kasi dito. Ngayon ganito kalamig, susunod kakailangan nyo 2 jacket.
Wow.
Para ano, so ganun po siya.
Pero coming niya yan sir, coming.
Coming na po, bare months po siya. So ngayon, nag-i-start nang magbukas yung mga night market po dun sa Riga. So ibig sabihin, madaming outdoor na pwede tayong puntahan.
Wow.
So by the way po, saan nyo po kami nakita?
Sa YouTube nyo.
Sa YouTube lang po. Nanonood lang din po kayo dati. At ngayon, kayo na ipapanoorin. Ay! So, paano po? Buti hindi po kayo nagkuhan. Hindi nyo po iniisip na scammers kami kasi syempre, online lang lahat.
Kasi nakita ko yung YouTube nyo, maganda yung reviews eh.
Yeah, thank you po. Thank you. And then, minessage nyo lang po kami online, no?
Message ka, tapos tinawagan pa kita para kinonfirm ko lang kung ikaw talaga.
Oo, kasi baka mamaya hindi pala ako yung kausap ni Sir. Nagpadala ng pera,
Kaya nga,
patay tayo dyan. So, mas okay yun, nabibideo call nyo din kami. Hindi yung, wag puro pure tiwala kasi mahirap pa rin.
Mamaya ginagamit yung account mo.
Oo, may mga ganun naman talaga. Kasi minsan guys, naka-receive din kami ng message sa isang tao na sinabi na ginagamit yung company name namin para daw maningil ng placement fee. So guys, wag ganun. So kami, naniningil kami ng placement fee, especially kung trabaho na legal way from the Philippines to United Arab Emirates pag nakapasa na sa medical at pag nakapasa na sa interview sa employer. Pag hindi pa, so guys, huwag kayong magtitiwala agad-agad. Okay, kailangan makausap muna namin kayo kasi i-video call namin kayo for an interview. And also, so, Ano po ang work ko sa Pilipinas dati?
Sa Pinas security ako sir. Tapos sa dati akong factory worker sa Taiwan.
Ay, grabe. Buti, ex-OFW pero nakapag-Thailand.
Bali, ang kwento niyan sir, kinuha ako ng kapatid ko sa Hong Kong.
May kapatid kayo sa Hong Kong.
Tapos nagmakaw ako.
Ay, nagbakasyon pala talaga kayo.
And then,
Okay.
ano din doon, nakipagsapalaran din.
Oo,
Kaya lang
kung-
mahirap doon talaga.
Mahirap talaga.
Kasi maraming aplikante, kunti ang trabaho, ang hiring.
Oo. So, tatry din ni Sir ngayon dito sa
try natin
Dubai.
dito.
My God, medyo
Mahirap
medyo, hindi naman, I cannot say mahirap naman. I mean, nasa tao pa rin po kasi talaga yon. So, syempre, hindi natin inaano dito, normal talaga yung ganitong gawain, but still, nasa tao pa rin. So, guys, medyo mainit na. At tatapusin natin, nahatin natin si Sir. Wala pa pala siyang tutuluyan, kaya pala nakaupo dito, hinihintay. Buti nga po, hinihintay nyo kami.
Kaya nga, alis na nga sana ako sir kasi magta-taxi na sana.
Oo, hinahanap namin kayo. Kanina pa po kami sa loob doon.
Ay talaga?
12, ano pa lang po, 11:30 nandito na po kami. Okay, so marirecommend nyo po ba yung company namin sa mga taong gusto magpapas ng tourist?
Basta si Sir Ruel, mapagkakatiwalaan yan.
Yeah, thank you so much po. So sige na po, lika na muna doon sa sasakyan. Bye! So guys, nandito na kami ngayon kung saan titira si Kuya. So may contact na si Kuya at papasokin natin. So paano nyo po nakita tong bahay?
Sa Facebook, through Facebook lang sir.
Yeah. Everything is online po talaga dito. So, lika, pasok muna tayo. So guys, nandito na kami. So, itong naka-contact pala ni Kuya is may 20 flats daw dito. And tingnan natin kung ano ba yung tsura titira ni Kuya kasi for sure mako-culture shock din si Kuya. So, this is partitions. Pero, aware naman po kayo sa mga po dito. Ilagay pa natin. Sa mga flats po dito. Okay, where's the... Oh, malinis siya. Sige, papasok tayo. Hindi lang po tayo kasya ng kaunti. So, dito yung flat nila. Let's see. Okay na po siya? Pasok po kayo. So, this is the partition kung saan si Kuya titira. So, medyo malamig. Maliit lang siya. May sampayan dito kung titingnan niyo si Kuya. At akit po tayo. Sige po, try niyo po umakit sa taas. Ay! Nabalaglag po. So, do you have beds here? Are you going to give him a bed? There's one mattress.
You just put bedsheet and you can.
Yeah. Sige. Akit ka, Mark. Tingnan mo. So, ito guys, yung taas niya.
Put screen open.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, this is the guy that they're going to live here.
Hi.
So, this partition is 1,200. There's no discount. Maybe you can give discount. Because, see, he came from the airport this New Year's, a tourist visa. I know that he has money, but he has to just even for 1 month, and then after a month you can.
I know. I will show you something. The next side. This is like Riga exit 2 side. Exit 1 side have starting is 1.5. It's very small partition because flat rent is very high.
But this one, how much? Even 1,150, that's fine. Make it discount. Because
Okay, I can talk like 1 month to the owner.
yeah,
1,150.
1,000 1 month, and the next month 1,150.
No, no.
Maybe outside.
Okay, let me check what's upstairs. So, eto guys.
Here like one more like white place.
Right, this is all for Filipinos. Okay, so tingnan natin
My
kung
house
ano.
flat is
Okay.
management.
Oh my God! Napakalamig. Kung titingnan nyo, ito aircon. So yung aircon,
That's good.
feel ko yung lamig, and this is what they called loft bed partition. So ulit baba tayo. So sakto. So kuya, sobrang lamig.
Every time like that.
Gusto niyo pa po bang i-check yung iba or okay na po kayo dito? So, okay na dito si kuya. So kamusta naman po ang bahay? Ganito din po ba sa Thailand?
Sa Thailand, parang ganun. Pero medyo malaki.
Saka mas mura kasi dun eh. Dito medyo mahal. So tingnan natin yung ikutin natin. So dito meron silang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 washrooms. Wow, where are the washrooms? Do not leave door open. So bawal. Wow, meron pa dito.
Every time is cleaning because your Kabayan is management here.
Yeah, I know Kabayan is really they really want it to be clean. So this is their kusina. Ito kung makikita nyo, ito signature dito. Kuya, tingnan nyo. So dito, can he use some of the things here or
Separate.
separate? Oh,
Included
okay.
fridge, microwave, stove, washing machine, and dryer, like this.
Like this, but this one, they cannot use. So see, kung makita nyo dito, mayroong mga names ang
How about
mga...
washing machine? Stick to that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mayroong mga... YouTube, may mga
I tell to
names.
my wife,
Yeah. May mga names dito. Do you have Filipino wife?
Yeah.
Wow, mashallah, you have a Filipino. So how is it having a Filipino wife?
good, like caring and like a Pakistani lady and like Filipino lady is different.
Yeah. So
That's why I get married here with Kabayan.
yeah,
Like Filipino.
what do you like about Kabayan?
Kabayan is good.
Do you have kids?
No, not now. Inshallah, later.
Inshallah. How many years being married?
9 months. 9 months.
9 months. Oh, very new. Congratulations. So, when you mix Pakistan and Kabayan, the baby is really
This
nice.
December, inshallah, I go there in Cavite.
You're going to Philippines?
Yeah.
Wow, mashallah. So he will visit the Philippines. Okay, so this is the how many partitions do you have here in total?
Like 1/8. But for
No,
washroom,
how many total? How many rooms total?
1/8.
18? Oh my god.
But
This is 3 bedroom.
yeah, 3 bedroom.
Guys, 18 na butas ang meron dito. Oh my god. So can we
Dubai here have rules. If you have 1 BHK, only 12 partitions. If you have 2 BHK, 2 bedroom, have 14 partition allowed in government. And
Huh?
yeah,
Is it allowed now to make a partition?
now allowed.
When?
Like this month.
For real?
Yeah, you can check in Khalij time.
Oh my god. So guys, they legalized the partition inside the room. For real?
Yeah.
Can you send me the proof?
Right now I don't have. But
Okay, I'm gonna search it in college time.
He said, if you have 1 BHK, you can make for the 1-2 building management. The real estate. He said, and then if you have 2 BHK, you can make 1-4. If you have 3 BHK, last is 1-8.
Oh my
Before
god,
have some people's 20-25 partition. Now he can make like big partition. 7 partition is
yeah.
finish.
I cannot believe it because it's not allowed before, right?
Before not allowed. No, have allowed, but Dubai government
Yeah.
every building have partitions.
Yes.
But what he do, like room rent, like a flat
Very
rent is very high.
expensive.
Oh, if you have like
Tell you the Dubai government.
if you have like 25,000 to 2,500 salary, how come I get room like 4,000?
Yeah, you're right. So why do you think they legalize it? Because of the
I think maybe one owner he said to me like this one is have now legal because the government he know where is staying the people.
yeah, and everything is expensive and the salary is not that high, right? Wow. So that's really good for us because in case that it's already legal because hindi ko pa siya alam na ganun. So I can get a lot of plots and do that. Okay, let's go. And how many washrooms? Can we see the washrooms as well? Pero maganda po din siya. Malinis po.
Malinis.
Oo. Can we see the washrooms as well? So this is, yung washrooms, they modify it. They cut it into 2. One is for the toilet nga naman kasi iba hindi naman makapag-toilet habang naliligo. Ay, this is 2 toilets na pero hindi siya liguan. So, the shower room is different.
If you take shower, also one here and one.
And look, eto kadalasan yung mga dito, sir. Yung tingnan nyo, napansin nyo, madaming timba. Kasi nga, pag mainit ang tubig, kailangan nila magpalamig.
Okay.
Kasi dyan na nag-i-start na makalbo yung mga tao pag mainit. So, palamig.
Okay.
Pag kumuha ka dyan ng malamig, may magagalit. Ay! Kaya yung iba, nilalakpan nila yung kanilang mga, tawag dyan, timba. So, ito pa is, so may 3 bedrooms to, so 18 na butas, so meron pa dyan. Okay, ilak natin. And also here, as green, may 3 din dito, and then may toilet din sila dito. Ay! Sorry, napindot po. Okay, pinagalitan ako kasi napindot ko, hindi ko naman na-expect. Tapos meron pa din dito. I think ito malalaki yung partitions dito kasi maganda yung door. So, mas mahal yan. How much is the partition here? I think that's gonna be expensive because it's big, no? How much?
This one, room kina dan.
One three.
Little bit big.
Little bit big. You cannot make him big.
There no have.
So only
Because
one
we have
partition.
only just a two partition available. One is a bunk bed,
Mhm.
and this one only, the roof bed.
Look, you know, I have a
I
lot of
show
clients who
already
wants to come here with tourist visa. So you give me commission,
What?
From now, you give me commission
Oh.
from. Yeah, shala sa guys.
When
You
you are
hear
giving
that?
customer, we give you the commission.
Yeah, I have a lot of clients who wants to come here because I have a travel agency here. The documents clearing recruitment from the Philippines, so they're coming here. You can watch it on YouTube, and we're also doing the house there. Okay.
Now I can follow you.
Thank you so much, brother. Okay.
Because of his video.
Okay, now so we're going to leave Kuya because
Only one concern more, because it's a access card.
Yeah.
For
This one, yeah.
this one, for the 50 dirham, it's
Okay.
non-refundable. But if you are giving 100 dirham key and card, when you are move out, you can giving the receipt and you can take your 100 dirham
Where they're going to use this?
Outside.
for
Outside.
outside the main door. Because some
Oh.
people will
Anyone
take
did
this
not
one
public security
and
side.
key also take this one.
That's
That's why
good.
we are just like only 100 dirham or 50 dirham. It's two options.
Yeah.
This one have security also. You know, someone, another people did not came inside.
Yeah, okay.
Only for the tenants.
Okay, can I take it for free for him? You
This
cannot
for
give him
Master
free because it's new in Dubai.
No, brother. This
No.
is rules. is
You know,
rules.
our is the stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Honor is different. I can give to everything like for details.
Okay, so that's great. So
But
Kuya,
if you want, if you want now, I make for you chai, juice,
Ay.
anything. This okay.
so Kuya, have you tried chai? Do you know chai? Chai
Not yet.
is it's a
Lemon
tea.
Tea.
Parang ano po siya,
Okay.
parat. Malalaman niyo po yan every time na labas kayo. Oh, let's go for
You
chai.
No, really, you want
If you
tea,
want coffee, anything, I can
you
bring.
can sit
You
with
want
okay.
coffee po?
Hindi.
I actually-
I don't drink coffee.
It doesn't drink coffee, so that's fine. So,
Chai.
No, even you, because he's
No, no,
coming
thank
now
you.
in the airport, from airport, because if you eat something, it's I have no.
you
I
are
bring
very
coffee.
kind. You are very no, that's fine, brother. You are very kind. You
This one is free.
Yeah, you already get the Filipino mentality for being hospitable. So thank you so much for that. Okay, so we're gonna leave him, and I'm gonna contact you in case of anything. Do you also have bed space?
Bed space also have available.
That space now that time.
Full.
Full? Okay, but in the future, in case that someone's asking,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
save your number, and then okay. For now, Kuya needs a rest because he's
If I have any
tired.
person, any problem, I have also maintenance here. Any problem, you can just contact us.
I have
I'll give you
problem.
the number.
Okay.
I have problem. Can you help me? Love life. Okay.
If you are love life, it's not long life. Better no need a love life, okay?
So it's better no love life.
No love life. Yeah.
No love life.
Only with wife.
Why? Only one lady, right?
Love wife only, not love life.
Yeah. Love wife. Not it's the same. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and
Thank
you're
you.
very kind. I really
Thank you,
appreciate
brother.
it.
Thank you.
So we're gonna leave Kuya. Just talk to him about the payment,
No.
and I will not leave until you give me the commission. Hi! Hi! Thank you so much. Okay, thank you guys. Bye! So guys, nahatid na natin si Kuya at nakahanap rin siya ng bahay online at hinatid na natin siya dito. At yun na nga nakakatuwa kasi napakabait din ng may-ari. So may 25 plots daw dito sa building. At sana nga totoo yung pwede na ang partition sa dito. Depende na lang sa building. Kasi nga, totoo naman, mahal ang cost of living sa Dubai. Hindi lahat ng mga OFW or mga Filipino is kayang kumuha ng isang buong flat. Talagang most of the time, sharing talaga ang nangyayari. Okay, so thank you so much guys sa panonood. At kayo kung gusto niyo mag-tourist dito, we can help you sa processing ng tourist visa. Just send your passport and photo na white background and we're going to help you. So syempre, pag may time kami, dadaanan din namin kayo sa airport para ihatid kung saan kayo pupunta or uuwi dito sa UAE. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!